welcome back. Let's see. Okay, so now we are going to be doing the battle. Go ahead and give it a shot to see what crazy Pokemon he has. Because Cosmic Owl's hurt, I'm going to go ahead and switch out for Roostinder. Go ahead and go for this. Come on, get him out, let's battle. Okay, let's see what we're fighting against. Fisher Zoe with the net. That's right, I changed all the names and all the special things. Ooh, Galil. Please don't have self-destruct. That would be the worst if you had self-destruct. Oh no, don't flinch lock me. Ice isn't that effective again. Oh, flying. Oof. Not effective. Okay. Burn. Double team. It's just crazy. I'm like expecting to run into different Pokemon. Let's see. Burn. Alright, we're doing great. 6. Am I gonna learn anything, or do I not learn things until later? I guess because they're... Holy cow! Whoa, we just like jumped 3 levels. And I don't have any fighting moves. I don't think I get double kick until like 20s. He's a rock type, and he's... I don't have any water guys yet. I have fighting, I guess, but he's tackle. We'll just stick with what... Well... Let's go ahead and switch out, just so that we can get some training in. Oh, Sudowoodo has Shadow Tag ability. I forgot about that. Some of the Pokemon's abilities, since they're random, they have abilities that don't let you switch out. Not like worried because of how much I've leveled, but I didn't think about that. Oh, he just learned Ember. Oh well, Ember is not going to be super effective against me. Critical hit, not very effective. 1. So yeah, we're doing good. Okay. And I'm hoping that I don't run into someone with Wonder Guard, because that would be not fun. I mean, I've covered most of the bases, but it's still not the thing I would hope to get. We're to level 9. Wow, I'm just like rocketing up the scale. I was worried I wouldn't be able to get XP in this, but like sure enough, I'm getting XP left and right. Let's go ahead and switch. I'm just gonna move people around a little. There we go. Okay, let's keep going. Another battle. I'm feeling confident. You can't jam out if you're not a Pokemon trainer. Fisherman Marshall. It's funny how all these guys are fishermen. Uh-oh. Okay, this could be very, very bad. No, I don't have any way to trade. Let's go ahead and... That's what I was afraid of. That's exactly what I was afraid of. Yep. 1 hit down. Oh, I guess that, like, that's how it goes. Oh, R.I.P. Hitamori. That's what I was terrified of, is running into, one of the Regigigas. Okay, that's why I was like Sand Attack maybe, but even then that was no way. A Lulukoto. I don't have any... I have fire, but it's water. I need lightning or ice or something like that. Man, this is gonna be tough. Some of the Pokemon we run into is just crazy. Oh, Ghost. Okay, we're gonna switch. So far, he hasn't used any water-type moves. I don't know if he has them, but I'm just worried that he will. Bag. I know we're gonna... This is one of our only hopes that I can think of, is just to... Fight. Fight. I'm not gonna be able to flinch lock him because he's faster. Oh, don't hurt me. Oh! Okay, we're getting very close on each of these calls. I should have shifted out, but oh well. Okay. I don't know, I guess it can't be helped with the Reggie Rock or whatever. Not very effective. Burn. Hey, Molteran leveled up too. Mystica. Torkoal. Fire. I just want to check something. So I'm firefighting, there is no flying. I'm just worried that Torkoal has, like, Earthquake or some ridiculous ground move. I'm just gonna have to tank it and hope he doesn't. Stab? Nope. Curse. Speed fell. Oh crap, man, he's gonna raise his attack and crap. I might be in some big trouble. It's not gonna hurt me. Okay, good. Yeah, anything he does do isn't gonna do too much damage, I think. As long as he doesn't have an earth move like Bulldoze or something. Okay. Yeah, when I first played, like... I'm trying to think. When I played through Pokemon, the first game I got was Blue, and I picked Bulbasaur as my starter, because I thought... I liked grass Pokemon from the beginning, like even in the Pokemon cards. When I got to Ruby and Sapphire, I picked Ruby, and then I got Torchic for my starter, because Torchic looked awesome. I was torn between, like, Torchic and Mudkip, but Torchic looked awesome, and it worked out well. Okay, so... we've lost a Pokemon, unfortunately. But I guess, like, I probably should have switched into someone for that, but I didn't. You live and you learn. We're gonna go back and heal so we don't lose anybody again. And I'm just curious if there's... doubt there will be. Sometimes you just gotta check. Trying to remember where I found all the rare candies. Okay, so let's just keep going. I'll try to... oh, well I guess this is going to be a few episodes later, but I'm going to be getting back into finishing Summonite Swordcraft and the other ones. Just wasn't sure, like... my work schedule got so busy that I wasn't able to keep doing videos consistently. Like, I was having to sacrifice my entire day off just to try to make episodes. And I wanted to do other stuff, and I just got busy. I'm wanting to get, like, an Elgato capture card, so that way I can, like, record... I got a PS4 and a Switch between the last episode and... not the last episode, but, like, when I stopped recording and when I started again. I guess that was 2 or 3 episodes ago, but it's fun. I want to be able to play those things online. I'll have to order one and do it when it comes in. Just depends on if... I don't know. I want to be able to share some of this stuff, because I have like Destiny 2 and Monster Hunter and such. And I think I've recorded a full Monster Hunter thing, but I just... It's on my PS4 and they didn't like me to upload it, so... Or Facebook didn't like me to upload it. Another berry. I'm expecting different items, but it's just kind of choosing what it wants. Just trying to remember which way to go. I can go either way. Let's check our Pokemon. Oh, I forgot to release Hitamori. So next episode, I'll go ahead and release them between the episodes, but we won't use them. Switch in for the Cosmic Owl and see what I can do. Okay. A Mightyena. And I really wish I had a fighting move now for... Oh, Hitomo Tori, but at least he's gone now. Let's go ahead and... I'm just trying to like calculate like how strong is each of the stats. Whoa. Okay, let's go ahead and switch back to his bite, so I don't want to go into psychic. Let's go into fighting fire. Okay, Roostender. Burn him. Man, my focus is sure shifted. I was hoping to focus on my other guys. Let's see. Wow, 96 EXP. I don't know, I guess it sounds like a lot. I'm just... There we go. No way. No way. Oh. Oh, it's ice, but it has... Okay, I think I can take, even if it uses like water gun or... I'm just terrified that it has like Aurora Beam or something like that. Let's go ahead and burn it. Oh, it's not ice, okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. I need to switch out into a Pokemon. Moltorant should have a resistance against elementals, because it's a dragon. I wonder what moveset it has. Bite. I'm scared because it's like lowering up my defenses, and so if I don't... Is Leer its only move? I'm gonna go ahead and switch out just because I know that he's lowering my defenses like constantly. I mean, it's nice if that was his only move, then I wouldn't have to worry. Oh crap, I didn't think he had Bite. But at least he got paralyzed. And I flinched. So I have to switch back. At least the stats should have reset. Oh, I probably shouldn't have. Okay, he flinched. I'm gonna go back to Roostender because I don't think he has a water type move. There we go. Okay. Let's scratch it. Okay, we're doing good. It's paralyzed. Okay. So gotta play so carefully so I don't lose another guy. I gotta remember to release them when I go back to Poké Centers. Oh, boo, nothing went right. Man, that fisherman kid, sure got lucky with Suicune. Okay, I'm a little hurt, but I'm not too hurt. I'll go back and release, Hitomori or whatever. Hitomori. and then I will be back to where I was. I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.